we got fucking a brand new meter box. Look at it, all zeroed out and shit. I notice right now that's fucking plastic. Ain't like the old shit. Well, it was heavy glass and everything. So they just cut the power back on. So that's why we at day 22. And went and got 5 more gallons of oil primer. So we'll go back in here now and fucking paint the rest of the shit. We're at day 22, at the end of day 22. Here you go. Everything's all fucking primed with oil primer. 10 gallons of it. So went in this morning and tried to get a 5-gallon bucket. They only had fucking gallons, so they got 5 1-gallon buckets. They gave it to me for the same price, which was kind of cool. But the only thing that's left to be primed is that ceiling and the kitchen. I primed this back bedroom today. There's a little bit of cutting down by the floor and shit to do. You gotta come in here tomorrow and sand all this shit down. Tomorrow morning they get a new central air conditioning system and heating system. All that shit's primed. So pretty much that's all we did today. Just sanded shit down, primed it. So today's video is not very exciting. We did get power back on, but it's about the most exciting thing that happened today. So they cut the power back on. But, so anyway, stay tuned for tomorrow, day 23, where we're actually gonna have fucking air conditioning this motherfucker. Or some shit. Very good looking fucker. Whatever the fuck that is, it don't look like it. I don't know, no good. So anyway, we'll cut the breaker off in this motherfucker. We decided the colors for the wall. It's gonna be gray in here. And the rest of that is gonna be called antique white. It's the Sherwin-Williams color. That's one of the gray tiles I'm gonna be putting down. It looks like slate. So if you like this video, subscribe to GetGo TV. Hit the like button. The little notification bell so you know when I upload another video. Watch some of my other 300 videos on how to do shit, reviews and stuff. And stay tuned for tomorrow, day 23. Y'all have a good day now.